Hi there, this is Raina with Firefly Web Studio. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a WordPress environment on WP Engine. So I already created an account, and if you're interested in how to do that, there should be a link to the video in this post. But anyways, once you log in after you've created your WP Engine account, you get brought to this dashboard. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're on sites, and it says add a new site. I'm going to add now. It gives you a couple different options. You can build a new site, migrate a site in from somewhere else, copy or move an environment, which is great if you already have a website and you're just going to copy it and change some things. You can do that right here, or accept a transfer of a site from someone else. I'm going to build a new site today. You have the choice, you will own it, or if you're creating it for somebody else and plan to transfer it to them. That's what the second option is. I'm going to own this site. Click Next. You have your choice of a blank site, one that has some optimization, and a WooCommerce, so like an e-commerce site. I'm starting with a blank site today for my client. And then I'm going to name it. You can set up your type, and your name's going to start down here as well. All right, so you have a few different types you can choose from. You have production, staging, and development. Now, if I'm starting a new site, I will start with production. However, once I am finished building on the production or I have a live URL with the site, then I will create a staging or a development site. So I'm going to start with a production site today. And that'll just allow me to do a little more testing. I'm going to build it up pretty fast, so I don't really have to worry about like search engines and things like that. So right now my site is being built and it's going to give me a few different options. But at this point, it is going to build. And then once I get that email confirmation, I'll show you how to get to that site and what it looks like.